Hello, welcome to another episode of Student Pretends to Have a TV Show for a School Project. I'm your host, Mark Lopes. Today we will be answering a question from our guest, Marcos Lopez. What's your question for us, Marcos? Recently I had a cold, and one of my worst symptoms was a sore throat. I used a lot of cough drops, and they helped stop the soreness. So I was wondering, how do cough drops work? Excellent question. Before I answer, I'd like to let our viewers know that the cough drops used were from the Halls brand, which may differ from other cough drops. Most cough drops use oral anesthetics to soothe the inflammation that causes sore throats and coughing. Halls in particular uses menthol as their active ingredient. Menthol? Isn't that the stuff that's in cigarettes? Actually, menthol is used in a lot of products. This is because menthol causes a cooling or numbing sensation when it contacts the skin or mouth. In cough drops, menthol works well because it can dissolve in saliva. But where does menthol come from, Mark? It can be found in nature in the leaves of peppermint plants. In most cases, however, menthol is made synthetically by the hydrogenation of thymol. This means that thymol is repeatedly put through chemical reactions with hydrogen molecules until menthol has been produced. Does that mean when I use a cough drop, I'm just dissolving a chunk of menthol? Not at all, Marcos, but I'm glad you asked. Cough drops are designed to be like hard candy. In order to make the cough drops that way, glucose syrup is used. Glucose syrup can be made through a process of heating starch and putting it through hydrolysis. That's fancy talk for adding water to break up the starch after it has been removed from plant matter. Glucose syrup is made up of glucose, which is a monosaccharide, or a simple sugar. Both glucose syrup and menthol can easily be broken down by the enzymes within saliva. Wow, that must be why cough drops can taste sweet. Exactly, Marcos. In fact, in countries outside the United States, cough drops are often marketed as candy with menthol inside. I think that's all the time we have for today. We hope to see you next time when this program's existence is convenient for a class project. Bye bye now.